Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover TikTok account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, go ahead, open up your TikTok app on your phone. Upon doing that, you're gonna first tap on this profile icon in the bottom right. And now this is how it's gonna look like, right? So let's say we do not know any of the information we would like to recover. We're gonna tap on this little question mark in the circle icon on top left, and from here choose the recover your account option. And now you do have the option of TikTok username, phone number, email, and Instagram. For me, I already know the information of my account, that's why it is showing over there. But if you don't know, you're gonna simply go ahead, choose any of the options. Easy would be simply for you to tap on this phone number or email if you access both of those on your device. Now enter your phone number right over here. Make sure to choose your country code accordingly from right over there. Once you have simply added that, you will be able to tap on next. You will receive a verification code for you to retrieve your account. Simply provide that and follow all of the steps accordingly, and you will be able to recover your account likewise. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.